The Supreme Court decision puts the onus on states to decide abortion rights, and that will surely be a hot-button issue in this fall's race for Pennsylvania governor. Eyewitness News anchor Siafa Lewis is in the newsroom with reaction from local elected officials. Siafa, good evening.
Good evening, Yuki. We'll start here in Pennsylvania, where the two men vying to serve as the Commonwealth's next governor are polar opposites, both in how they view today's Supreme Court decision and in how they would govern and legislate abortion access. Attorney General Josh Shapiro held a virtual press conference following the court's decision, saying this:
a woman's right to choose is now dependent upon what state she lives in. Under Pennsylvania state law, I want you to know that abortion remains legal, but our legislature is poised to pass a bill that would outlaw abortion.
His opponent, Republican candidate Doug Mastriano, issued a statement which reads in part, quote, "Roe v. Wade is rightly relegated to the ash heap of history. As the abortion debate returns to the states, Pennsylvania must be prepared to lead the nation in being a voice for the voiceless." Unquote. Mastriano is a proud abortion opponent and has a video on his website in which he states that "my body, my choice" is ridiculous nonsense. As for the man they're looking to replace, sitting Governor Tom Wolf shared this.
For the last 50 years, it has been an assumption that in the United States, the person closest to that painful decision is the one who's going to make it, not a bureaucrat or a politician, not one-size-fits-all legislation.
Moving over to the Garden State, Governor Murphy codified women's reproductive rights into law earlier this year, fearing and anticipating today's decision.
Today, the United States Supreme Court clarified in no uncertain terms that they do not value the women in our country or their ability to make their own decision about their bodies.
Conversely, State Senator Ed Durr from Gloucester County was happy with the court's ruling.
Hopefully this is a measure that can start saving babies' lives.
And in Delaware, Governor Carney tweeted that today's decision upends half a century of settled law, and it will lead to risk and heartache for women and families across the country. I do want to add, as you mentioned, Yuki, in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware, women maintain their right and access to abortion following the court's decision. In the newsroom, Siafa Lewis, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Siafa, thank you.